Guys, welcome back. On tonight's episode, we're making a spicy chicken and peanut butter stir fry. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, stir fry. Everything's gonna go very quick. I have two pretty spicy chilies, some baby broccolini, -1, some peanut butter, a little bit of soy sauce. The star of the show, our protein. We got some diced up chicken breast. First thing I'm gonna do is get our chilies all sliced up. I'm leaving the seeds in. If you don't want it that spicy, just take the seeds out. For our baby broccolini here, oh, almost lost another one. We're just using the tops for this. We're just using the florets tonight. I'm gonna get this pan hot. For stir fries, you want everything screaming hot. As that pan starts to heat up, I'm gonna mix together our peanut butter and our soy sauce. You know, mine's still pretty thick. I don't wanna add more soy sauce. I'm gonna add a dash of rice wine vinegar. I'm gonna add a splash of water too. To this chicken, just quick hit it with salt and pepper. That's all the seasoning we need on that. A little bit of vegetable oil. See how it shimmers right away? All right, it's ready to go. It will get a little smoky in your stir fry, so open the windows, turn your fan on. Don't be afraid of it. That's how you do this. Noodles right into the water. Let those start going. Chilies go in. All your chicken goes right in too. See how quickly that chicken's cooking? Keep tossing it, keep tossing it. The florets, I'm gonna put them in the boiling water just to blanch them quick. You can go right into the stir fry if you want, but I feel that sometimes it doesn't always cook through. The stems can still be a little woody. We're gonna transfer them right over to this next. Keep giving this a shake. Broccoli's looking good now. I need a better tool for this. Now we transfer the broccoli over. Look at that, beautiful color on our chicken. Now, we're going with this peanut mixture we have. Just glop it right in on the back. As it heats up in the pan, it'll start to thin out. You can help it along too. Just a couple splashes of that rice water. I'm gonna zest a little bit of lime over this chicken. The rice noodles are done. Now I'm gonna transfer them all right over. A little bit of that water, a little rice water in there. Loosen up that peanut butter sauce a little bit more. That's looking nice, smelling nice. Right onto the plate, crushed peanuts. We'll serve it with a wedge of lime, and that is a quick peanut chicken stir fry. Made a mess with that one, eh? That's gonna do it for tonight's episode. The cameras are dying, so I gotta go. See you next time. I'm Donnie. Peace.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.